So, um, let me start with the scene. I have now 20. Okay, here. Aha. So I stopped a little bit too early. Okay, then Neustart. So here you see, like it's still, I'm not. What is this? Do I have the latest version, or is this both? Okay. Here we should mention instead of gescheitert, das kannst du besser. One second. Ah, fuck. Mann, das ist dumm, ehrlich. Auf gescheitert. Das kannst du. Das geht noch. And here, like this stuff is also depending on, for example, if I have my back wheel sensor a little bit too far to the right border, it will always have like this grid, yeah. And first I didn't understand until I realized, okay, this is the back controller, which is too close. So you should insert in the documentation, make sure that this grid is big enough. Obviously, for me, I was not able to do it because I'm on my balcony, but so I don't have a lot of space. But anyway, and a little detail about this it's a result screen. It's very nice. You could take away this black line under gemessene Reaktionszeit and verspätete Reaktionszeit, and also this white, like to make a second white rectangle, which is 1 centimeter to the left and to the right, so that it's or 30 pixel or whatever, like so. It would look a little bit nicer. But I also like, yeah, how you did it, like to not to show the braking distance, also in this evaluation screen when there are no values like this. So that's very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. And I see the status AB. That's cool. Maybe it's because I clicked on reset. That's maybe why I have a wrong position. And here it should be red, like we have only the green light, but not the red. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So here we should have really. Okay, this is a little bit strange. Because here we should finish the scene, and it's not that we are outside of the boundaries, but it's about the problem that I mean, we didn't crash into this stuff, the car truck, and so that's, yeah, here somehow we should check. And yeah, so even though I didn't click on reset position, you see that I'm on a wrong position somehow. I have to click on reset position, and only then I can do it again. And here it's 15.2 kilometers an hour. Oh, now it's 0. Okay. And I'm very, just slow it down, maybe. Oh yeah, anyway, I got the speed. Yeah, this is somehow it's strange. Like if it's already green here, I don't have any reason why I should stop behind the truck. So that means it has to be red until I stop, and only then, or until I passed the green truck, the truck, and only then, become green. If there's a timing problem, one possibility is to make the truck longer, like to make it 4 meters or 5 meters longer. That would also be a possibility, so to make it harder. But do you understand what I mean? Like here it doesn't make sense. Yeah. And what I realized is really that like people will have big problems with the steering. 1 second. So I'm driving, and like people will drive like this, and and here it's already outside of boundaries. I would make these boundaries bigger, because otherwise people will be it will be very hard for the people. Okay, let me restart it. Yeah, and here you see I have to do it again. Maybe it's because of restart. So here we have to have a parameter that will like reduce the amount of steering, so that if I'm doing like here I'm blocked somehow. You see, like I'm driving more to the left, but yeah, it's like stopping here. And if I'm going straight again, but I need this parameter like 2 or 3 degrees, like to have a value 1 to 1 or less, 90%, 80%, 70%, 60% steering. That will be good. Yeah, I think I have to change this value because it's jittering. And fuck. And can you make this building away, because it's from Google Maps and we are not allowed to use it. Oh. 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 Okay. If possible, this shouldn't happen. Not sure, like if it's because of yeah, what happened here exactly. It would be great, like if you look in my direction, like this is small stuff. I would focus on these important issues, but also to write down for you. We have like in the direction of, like if I look forward, there's some white space, and it should at least be gray or like something so that it looks not so weird. Yeah, and same in this direction, like it's a white gray space, so it doesn't look natural either to put some house here or I don't know what. Yeah, also like if you remove this big building to have some additional house or something, or trees or whatever, like just to cover a little bit the side. Yes. Yeah. And here we have the replay. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay, so here the replay is. It's crazy. So the mirror is kind of okay. This is a little bit weird with the interior, but it's maybe yeah. It's not so important. But and I like the mirror in general. I'm just thinking if it should be a little more to like this, a little bit more like this. And you start this scene. I mean, the replay you start like 1 second before the crash, and if it's possible to have like the replay 5 or 7 seconds before the crash, it would be much better. Like to, yeah, yes, that would be great. And this is also a detail I will tell you, like if it would be possible, like for example here in front, like where I'm looking now, to place a car, a police car, like on this parking lot with blinking police, like a blinking light, or something that attracts our attention. Yeah, like for example this house would be burning and we have like a firefighter car there, or something. So this would attract my attention as a truck driver, and this is also the reason why I'm not so focused on this guy. So we will do some stuff like that. Obviously, it's not important at all. Like we have like others, like the core functionality is much more important, but this will really add top value on our situation, because then the instructor can explain to people, okay, this is because this guy was distracted and blah blah blah, he didn't understand, that he didn't focus on the traffic, but he was distracted by police car or firefighter car, which is not important for him, but still when people see a police car, they are this like generally they look at it and yeah, there is nothing. So now I will open the this just to check if with sunlight we have some problems or if it's still working. Oh, I love also this blending out and blending in. That's beautiful, really. I love it. So here I'm again, like somehow. This was when I'm here, like you see, I'm outside of the boundaries. I understand why you did it, but it would be great, like if we could make it less. Yeah, it would be great. So, play. Oops. Yeah. Yeah, and we have to add into this instruction, okay, if you have to reset the position of the bicycle and of the person, you have to tell the people to close their eyes, to put the steering wheel in the correct position, and then we press reset position. Also, people have to, if I stare here, I will get much more sick than if I look in front of the. And if it would be possible, like to have this stop in a straight 90-degree instead of like somehow shifted, that would be also great. Yeah, I have 0.1 meter distance, that's good. So, and next scene, menu. Yeah, and I realized that maybe this situation 1, 2, 3, there are for like the first situation 1, is a situation that is not useful for most European cities, because like nobody drives on the left side on having a bicycle on the left side. So we should start like having this reaction brake test. This is good, but situation 1, 2, 3 should be, I think, at least situation 1 should be at the end, because it doesn't make sense like for European. Maybe you can rename it like situation 3 and then okay, this is weird somehow because the wave is very small. But yeah, otherwise it looks fine. Okay. Yeah, these posts, they are like somehow strange, like these posts that are appearing. Yeah. Oh! Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure, like, if these cars, they are bigger than the white cars. Yeah, if you can check this. But I really like this scene. And, here we don't have a replay, okay. It's not... Aha, no, I'm outside of the boundaries. That's strange. Yeah, these boundaries, we should make them more tolerant, because it's a little bit strange. Oh, shit.